Hey everyone, I'm Brendan, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble a Superhuman bomber. Before this video was taken, I had no experience assembling any of our e-bikes. From this video, I'm here to show you that it's fast, it's simple, and everything you need is provided to you. You'll be ready to ride this bad boy in no time. Alright, so first things first, you're going to open the box and remove the bomber. I had someone help me with this, but if you're all alone, just remove all the tape from the sides and pull out the barks all together. After you take it out of the box, you can put the kickstand down to help keep the bike stable. Continue by cutting all the zip ties and removing all the packaging around the bike. Go ahead and take one of the Allen keys and unscrew the bolt on the right of the headlight and remove the bracket so that we can put the wires attached to the handlebar behind the headlight so you can put the handlebars on a bit easier and everything's routed a bit cleaner. Next, remove the top bracket, go ahead and put the handlebars on and put the screws back into place. Feel free to adjust the handlebars before all the bolts are tightened down so the angle is to your liking and to your preference. Next, attach the display by unscrewing the bottom screws and clipping the display on the bottom of the handlebars and then reattaching the screws to make sure they're nice and tight. Now we're going to attach the pedals. A cool trick that I learned was no matter what side you're on, to tighten the pedal, turn your hand or the wrench toward the front wheel. Make sure you have the correct pedal on the correct side. There'll be stickers showing you which one is right and which one is left. Start by hand screwing the pedals in and then taking that 15 wrench to further tighten and secure the pedals. And last but not least, we've got the pegs. These bad boys come with every bomber and are one of my favorite features of the e-bike. You just simply hand screw the peg on and use your wrench to tighten it further and make sure it's nice and secure. And there you have it. Now you're ready to cruise up and down the road, backcountry trails, or even the coastal line of the beach. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, give us a call, shoot us an email at support@superhumanbikes.com.